Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with Revolut on phone. So the first thing that you're going to do is you have to go to your app and you'll have to click on the cards and you'll have to basically get a virtual card. This is very simple to do. All you'll have to do is just click the get card button here. Select whether you want a physical or a virtual card and then select the color of the card and it's going to create new card for you. Now, the next step is you'll have to navigate to your settings on your mobile phone and look out for wallet. Here, you'll have to go and click on the wallet button and you'll have to basically add your card in this section. Now, it's going to ask you whether it is a debit or credit card. So we'll choose debit. Now, you can either scan your card or enter your card details manually. I will choose enter card details manually. So the first thing that you'll have to do is enter your card number, which can find in the card details you just created. You just copy and paste it, and then it's going to ask you for the expiry date, the CVV. So once you enter these information in these sections, click next, you will have your Revolut virtual card added on your phone. And then simply when you're in a supermarket or wherever you need to pay, you just double tap and you're going to see this virtual card. So this is how you pay with Revolut on phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Subscribe our channel for next video.